What's the best piece of advice you guys have gotten so far?
Don't listen to people who aren't doing what you're already doing or what you want to do.
That's it. 100%.
That's all we listen to. So we have people in every aspect of our life. There's people that talk to us about business, that they're doing what we want to do. You're one of those people. Like, we talk to you about business because you're doing more than us and you're doing stuff that we want to do. But we have people in our religious life. We have people in our physical life, people in our relationships. And that's the best piece of advice I've ever gotten.
Yeah. Scott and I, we were sitting down when we were going through, escrow and looking at our first 4 properties. We're sitting here, running all through these worst case scenario stuff, stressing out. And we were getting a lot of chirping from a lot of different people, kind of placing those seeds of doubt in our minds. And we're sitting here like, oh my gosh, what are we doing?
The most scared we've ever been was in escrow, like 3 days before closing on properties.
So we're sitting down and we're meeting with Jason, and Jason goes, guys, you guys have gone through all the worst case scenarios. I've taken a look at the numbers. Your broker out there is taking a look at the numbers.
Your property manager is telling you to buy everything.
Everything pencils out. You guys have done your homework, done your research. Why are you listening to all these other people who haven't done shit out there, who haven't done what you guys are doing now or what you want to do? And that was kind of the light switch in our head, and we were like, oh crap.
It's something that we repeat to ourselves. I would almost say on a daily basis.
Yeah.
Like, it's so pertinent, and it's the best piece of advice that you can listen to.
Right? Like, Jason is really, as far as the rental portfolio goes, Jason's the only person you guys should even be listening to. Jason and other people who are doing more than Jason.
Right. And we have like our property manager who owns a couple hundred units out in the different parts out in the Northwest or it's in the Midwest. And it's like, don't listen to anybody else, because I had like family members, grandparents, close business friends who are like, too much risk. You're going to end up broke from this. It's going to cost. And it's like, now look, they're my private money lenders.
Right. I would take that personally, and I'm not taking the money.
The analogy that we use and what we say when we have this discussion with people is like, I mean, would you take, plumbing advice from an electrician? Would you call an electrician out to come fix your plumbing issue? No, right? So,
yeah. Can an attorney be your pool guy? Probably not.
No.
Does it mean that he's not smart in other areas?
Exactly.
Just don't listen to him about your pool. That's all.